Buddy, what are we gonna make today?
Volcano!
Volcano! And what do we need? What's this? Some vinegar and a bottle to put everything in. And what's that? Some baking soda and what's this? That's a funnel. Alright. So we have a bottle. We put the funnel in. And then we pour some.
This.
You want to help me?
Yes.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's try.
Let's do it. Alright, just wait. Put this aside. And then we tap, tap, tap. Make sure all the baking soda goes in. Okay. So we have the baking soda inside here. Okay, and then we're gonna pour some vinegar in. You help me. Okay, are you ready? Let's do it.
Yes.
We put.
Jessie.
Whoa! Look at it! Look at it go! Look at it go! That's so cool. Is that so cool?
Yes.
Alright, thank you for watching.